back to another video on my channel. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, hello, my name is Sheree Elise. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Welcome back to my current subscribers. Thank you so much for viewing my videos and showing support and love. We're going to be using a couple of Aunt Jackie's products. So I'm going to be using the Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. This does say moisture intensive. Yeah, moisture intensive. So it says ultra hydrating deep moisture therapy. So and this is enriched with shea butter and olive oil. And I'm going to be going straight in with the Curl La La Defining Custard. So I've actually used this 2 times already. Love it. Like, love the results I get. But I actually paired this with a cream, like Cantu. I compared it with Cantu curling cream and the African Pride, I think, like moisture cream or some type of cream they have in that African Pride line. Both results came out great. I'm going to be trying this out myself and seeing how I like them. I saw a lot of people pair this with the Don't Shrink gel, Flaxseed gel or something like that. I actually have that one as well, but I love this one, so I definitely want to try these two together. Shampoo my hair with this, and I deep condition with this almond milk deep conditioner. It's like a hair mask. Yeah, it's a hair mask from Curl's Daughter. So let's just get started. I didn't rinse my hair out like completely dry. My hair smells so good. I don't know if it looks good on the camera, but I sectioned it off in the back. You can tell I just sectioned this lower part off, and now I'm going to divide it into 2. So I have my water with me, and I'm going to take my Demon brush and detangle. Now I'm gonna take the Aunt Jackie's Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. Let me see if it's got a, yeah, it's got a seal. Smells good. A lot of Aunt Jackie's products smell good from what I've smelled, so I'm gonna shake. Let's take some. I'm gonna start out with a little bit because I don't know if like a little is okay. Very creamy. Okay, very creamy, very moisturizing. Wow, this is probably gonna be like my second favorite leave-in conditioner. Yeah, I'm actually gonna be starting a favorite curly hair products series on my channel. So I'll be going through my favorite hair products, but I'll be going by type of products. So when I do my leave-in conditioner, favorite leave-in conditioners, like, don't be surprised if that's in it. Like, oh my gosh, this is so moisturizing. It's really true to what it says. I'm finding that this part at the top doesn't really want to get that moisturized, so I'll take some more. Don't really want that much, but okay, that's better. So yeah, I have to fully really coat it. So I also like to take my brush and make sure it gets to most of the strands. I like my product to get to most of my strands. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. I normally have a habit of just spraying a little bit more water after I apply my leave-in conditioner. I just feel like it helps it not be dry-ish. Because as you can tell with high peroxide hair, my hair just starts getting dry instantly. So I think I am going to do that. It's just a habit I have. So now it's like wet and moisturized. And then I'm going in with the, I didn't show you guys how much I got. Let me get some more. So I'm going in now with the Curl La La. And I'm taking about that much more. That's what I took the first time. So I'm taking more. And I'm just raking it in. Very moisturized. I think I'm gonna have a very moisturized wash and go. And this Curl La La, as I mentioned, I've actually already used it, so it's a great product. I'm just so used to like a gel though. So I'm gonna actually section off different sections. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the Curl La La because I want my hair nice and saturated. So I'm doing my curls like I normally do, but I love gels. I think that's what the difference is gonna be with this. I may cannot do what I normally do. I may have to find another method. But we'll see. Like, look how my curls are weird. They're like, I don't know what right here, and then straight, and then like curly. It's really weird. I've never in my life seen my curls do that. So I don't know. It's gonna be pretty interesting to see the results. Today is one of my son's birthday, turned 5 today. So I was really hoping to get a perfect wash and go to last me a couple of days. Because I didn't want to go out tonight for his birthday when he gets out of school today. We're going to go out and have, you know, we have plans, and I didn't want my hair to look a mess. Because originally today I was supposed to do my Dollar Tree challenge video today for you guys, a Dollar Tree wash and go challenge. So it's looking okay. It's not a gel, so it's not going to be perfect. But yeah, I was supposed to do my, like, look at this. Oh yeah, I never did do anything to this side. This side is dry as crap. Like, dry. But yeah, so I wanted my hair to look great. Not only that, I did recently just have my hair straight, flat ironed straight. So I want to go on with some really nourishing products and deep condition with something nourishing for my hair. So that's why I chose to do this video first. Just to not put my hair through so much crap back to back. So yeah, so that's why I'm doing this video. I'm not digging it. I'm not digging it, guys. Like I don't know. Let me take some more. Like, this did really good with my Cantu products, you know, and that's so crazy, but it did really great. Had amazing results. But I'm thinking using it with just a leave-in, I may have to add a crap load of product just to get the definition I want. I don't know. I'm just not liking that I see a little frizz and stuff here and there. And that's a part of, like, when you're used to doing gels, using gels, you're not used to the frizz. But let's just keep going. Yeah, let's just keep going. Like, I just can't stop looking at this. Like, I'm gonna take a pause on this section because I want to get this section right before I continue. Because look at this. There's no way. There's no way. If I want this wash and go to last almost 7 days, this is not it, sis. I mean, from what I'm seeing, I don't care if I air dried, blow dried, I don't know, sit on the hooded dryer or whatever. There's no comeback from that. Like that frizz. I'll be right back. We're gonna see. We're about to find out what we can do because these are actual gels. So we're gonna use one of these gels with this Curl La La. That's what we're gonna do. So this is last resort. If I literally can't mix any of the gels, I'm 99% confident that the wet line will help me out. So since I already reviewed this on my channel already, I'm gonna try this one out first. I actually love it. This one works great with like Cantu coconut curling cream. So stay tuned for more wash and goes, you guys, because I want to share my bomb wash and go routines with you guys. I've actually started writing them down in my phone, so that way I can go back and show you what wash and goes look bomb, like what products I use. Re-wetting this back up to start kind of, you know, a little fresh. So I'm gonna rake and reactivate the products together. And now I'm going to just section off like I always do. We're gonna go in with the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Cream. I'm gonna go in with this now. So I'm taking this small amount right here just to see for this one section if it's gonna mix, and it feels like it is. Does it feel nasty? Okay, so we're good. So this may just be it, but I'm gonna need more gel to get it really popping. Okay, it looks a little better, we'll see. So much better. Like, that is so much better. I can work with this. Like, I can work with it. And I do have a habit of going back and making sure I don't see any frizz, because I will keep adding gel until I don't see frizz. So that's just a habit I got. I won't continue to keep doing my hair if it's frizzy until I see it's not frizzy. So I'm back. I finished my whole head. Felt like forever ago. But yeah, it's so worth it because my wash and goes literally last me 6 to 7 days. 7 days is like the most and pretty rare, but mostly 6 days. But it stretches out the whole week. Curls are looking really good so far. I'm gonna get close up. So far I'm loving my first day results. So yeah, I will be back later. Yeah. So I will see you guys when I come back home or in the morning. So I'm back. Today's next day. What I'm gonna do, guys, like I always do, is use a mist. I think I did use my Palmer's olive oil conditioning spray oil. I don't know if that helped make this soft, because my curls are always soft the next day but have a really good hold when I use that spray. But I'm going to go ahead and go in with this Shine Boss serum. Not serum, but spray mist. So next I'm going to go in with this one. This is the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco Healing Dry Oil Mist. And this mist tames flyaways. It gives color and highlights like a glow. Yeah, a glow. And yeah, you know, your girl curls gotta be popping when I go out. So this is the spray I always use, as you can tell. I actually have like 2 of them that's almost out. I'm gonna pour like the rest of it in one. I think this comes over like that. Okay. Yeah, I had a little bit too much pieces on the other side. But yeah, so this is my results, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. Definitely go check out those 3 together. They're amazing. Let me know what you like and if you tried any of these products. I say definitely give Curlala a try with a product that actually curl defines. It could be a cream or a gel, because it is bomb with that, and it leaves a good smell in your hair too. Like, every time I use that product, my curls smell good. So yeah, this is my wash and go, one of my bomb wash and goes that looks good. And yeah, so this should definitely last me about six days or so, and that's not including if I touch up like frizzy ends the next like few days or something like that. But in general, this will hold really good. If this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video from me. And you guys have a great day or night. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.